Welcome back to Gossipfunda, your go-to channel for all the latest gaming news and fixes. Today, we've got a hot topic for you: how to fix the frustrating BG3 error code 516, which has been causing players to lose their progress. But before we jump into the solution, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our gaming guides and updates. Alright, let's dive right into it. After the latest patch 3, many players have been facing this error, and the frustration levels are through the roof. But here's the thing, this issue primarily occurs when you're interacting with merchants in the game. Here's the golden solution that has been working like a charm for many players after patch 3. When you're dealing with merchants, use the trade button. Instead of using the buy option during the conversation, utilize the trade button located in the bottom left corner of the merchant interface. This is the crucial first step. Always exit on banter after you've finished trading. Make sure you exit the merchant's interface while in the banter phase of the conversation. This is essential to avoid triggering error code 516. It may sound simple, but it works like magic. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and continue your adventures in Baldur's Gate 3 without any worries of failed saves. Now, here's the best part. You don't need to delete any of your saves, and you can stop blaming your mods for this problem. This error is all about how you interact with merchants, not your game saves or mods. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow BG3 players who might be struggling with the same issue. And, as always, subscribe for more gaming tips, tricks, and updates from Gossipfunda.